Good morning, dear students. As we are continuing lesson number 1 from our NCERT textbook, that is page number 12. See, Women Amra Bank of Mango Producers. The meeting of Women Amra Bank has just started. Madhuben is its chairman. This bank is established by 20 members. Every member saves rupees 25 per month and deposit in the bank. So they started one bank and chairman of this bank is Madhuben. Everyone and total number of members are 20 and each member will give per month rupees 25 and deposit in bank. First, how many rupees are collected by this group in every month? हर मंथ में वो कितना कलेक्ट करेंगे? So, this is number of members equal to 20. Number of members equal to 20 and then each member gives rupees 25. Then one member equal to rupees 25. 20 members equal to 25 multiply 20. 25 twos are 50 and then 0 bring over here. And the total amount is rupees 500. Total amount rupees 500. Next it is how many rupees will be collected in 10 years. यानी ये तो हमने खाली कैलकुलेट किया 1 मंथ का, भी 10 ईयर में कितने कैलकुलेट होगा. सो राइट ओवर हियर दिस वे 1 मंथ equal to rupees 500. 1 month equal to rupees 500. 12 months equal to 500 multiply 12. 12 5s are 60 and then these two zeros yani rupees 6,000 in 1 year. Now 1 year equal to rupees 6,000. 1 year equal to rupees 6,000. Asking here is 10. So 10 years equal to 6,000 multiply 10. Multiply by 1 over here 6,000 and then 1 0. So our answer is 60,000. 1 10 100 1000 10,000. Our answer is 60,000. Now the next is practice. Number 8. Rekha borrowed a loan of rupees 4,000. She paid rupees 345 to bank every month for a year. How many rupees did she pay to the bank? And cut this line. How many rupees are yet to be paid? Cut this portion. So लोन कितना लिया था? रुपीज़ 4,000. अभी शी पेड रुपीज़ 345 टू बैंक एवरी मंथ. हर मंथ में कितना देते हैं? 345. सो सॉल्व दिस वे. लोन अमाउंट इक्वल टू रुपीज़ 4,000. लोन अमाउंट इक्वल टू रुपीज़ 4,000. She paid 1 month equal to rupees 345. Sign up there for 12 months equal to, it will increase for that purpose, multiply to 345 multiply 12. 12 5s are 60 carry 6. 12 4s are 48 plus 6. 54 carry 5 12 threes are 36 plus 5, that is 41. So our answer is rupees 4,140 they will pay in a year. Come for number B. Meera and her brother borrowed a loan of rupees 21 lakh to buy new plants of grafted mango trees. They paid back to rupees 23,520 in a year. How many rupees they would have paid every month? Look over here. They borrowed rupees 21,000. They paid rupees 23,520. 1 year equal to 12 months. 1 year equal to 12 months. So 23,520 divided by 12. 12 ones are 12. 3 minus 2 1. 2 minus 1 1. Bring down 5. Then 12 nines are 108. 8 15, that is 7. And bring down this 2. 12 6 are 72. This 0 come over here. So they paid rupees 1960 every month. They will pay rupees 1960 every month. Now they are planning to prepare business. Why don't we start the business of preparing mango pulp? मैंगो पल्प प्रिपेयर का बिजनेस करना चाहते हैं. Some women associated with Women Amra Bank want to start a small scale industry of preparing mango pulp at home. They have acquired a place from Panchayat for it. They have saved rupees 74,000 last year. They made calculation of the amount of investment required to start up this new industry. Madhuben prepared a list of required items before starting this work. This item should be purchased in the beginning of the work. The cost and number of items of these things are given in the following table. Find total expenditure. So we have to find out total expenditure. Come on, page number 14. Name of the item given, cost given, number of item given, and we have to calculate expenses. First, mixer grinder. Cost of the item 3,000. Required one, to expense 3,000. We have to multiply these two. Next, thermocol ice box for preserving and transporting mango pulp. Rupees 2,000 per, need 20. So 2,000 multiply 20. We got 40,000. 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 40,000. Next, big pots. Cost is 1,000, need 4. So 1,000 multiply 4, that is 4,000. Next, tray and knife. Cost is rupees 300 and need 20. So 300 multiply 20, that is 6,000. And bucket. Cost is rupees 75, need 20. So 75 multiply 20, 1,500. After that, plus all these. So get over here, 54,500. total expenditure to start a business 54,500. When they extract pulp from mango, it weighs 1/3 of a mango, यानी फ्रेश मैंगो का जितना वज़न है पल्प निकलने के बाद उसका वेट 1/3 हो जाता है. सो दे हैव प्लान्ड to extract pulp from 6,000 kg mangoes in a month. So fresh mango अगर 6,000 मल्टीप्लाई 1/3 यानी 6,000 को 3 से डिवाइडेड करें तो वी गेट 2,000 kg, यानी 6,000 फ्रेश मैंगो में से 2,000 मैंगो पल्प हमें मिलेगा. हाउ मच मैंगो पल्प विल बी प्रिपेयर्ड इन ए मंथ? दैट इज़ 2,000 kg will prepared per month. Next, मधुबेन, let's calculate for first 6 kg mangoes. उन्होंने first 6 kg का कैलकुलेशन किया. For purchase of mangoes ₹15 per kg. अगर 1 kg का प्राइस 15 होता है तो 6 kg का प्राइस कितना होगा? 15 मल्टीप्लाई 6 यानी 16 5 ₹90. फॉर सेल ऑफ मैंगो पल्प ₹70 पर kg, यानी 1 kg का प्राइस ₹70. तो 6 का 1/3 यानी 2 kg, दैट इज़ 70 मल्टीप्लाई 2, it will come ₹140. If we extract mango pulp from 6 kg mangoes, we get 2 kg pulp because 6 multiply 1/3 equal to 2. The total amount to be paid for 6 kg mangoes, 6 multiply 15, ₹90. Amount received by selling 2 kg mango pulp, 2 into 70 rupees equal to ₹140. ₹140. Therefore, the amount by selling the pulp prepared from 6 kg mangoes ₹140, selling price 140 and cost price ₹90. If we subtract both of these, we get ₹50. Now if we prepare mango pulp of 6,000 kg mangoes, the amount we earn 50 multiply 1,000, that is ₹50,000. ₹50,000. Come for next page. All women are very happy for this plan. Every woman will get good profit and will get wages for the work done by them. Anita, I have found out by another calculation that 1500 kg ice will be required every month. उन्होंने क्या बोला कि ये करने में हमें 1500 kg आइस हर मंथ को चाहिए. इट्स कॉस्ट इज़ ₹2 पर kg. देयरफॉर यानी 1500 kg आइस जो नीड फॉर दैट 1 kg कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 kg आइस ₹2. सो मंथली एक्सपेंस आइस 1500 मल्टीप्लाई 2 rupees, इट इज़ 3000. Packaging charge and rickshaw fare equal to ₹3,000. So the total cost 3,000 plus 3,000 equal to 6,000. So the total monthly expense of buying mangoes and selling mango pulp is ₹6,000. साइन ऑफ देयरफॉर 50,000 यहाँ पे हमने निकाला था, हमें प्रॉफिट हो रहा था 50,000, लेकिन उनमें से हमें 6,000 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देना है क्योंकि ये हमें एक्सपेंस करना है फॉर द आइस. So 50,000 minus 6,000 equal to 44,000 rupees. 44,000. Madhu went, "Oh, how nice! From these calculation, we know that our bank will earn rupees 44,000 per month." So students, this way we completed lesson number 1 from our NCERT text book. Hope so you all understood, and you must practice very well.